Hello YouTubers, this is the Happy Mountain Biker. It's a wet, rainy fall day in Sudbury, Ontario. I thought it'd be a great day for answer that question. Can you bike in the rain? Absolutely, why not? It makes me feel like a kid flying through puddles, splashing everywhere, getting wet. The trick is wearing the right clothes to stay dry. I have a wet jacket, waterproof, a hood. You're still gonna sweat. Believe me, you're still gonna sweat, but a little bit to keep the rain off, keep you good. Obviously, safety, light back so you're able to be seen. Come around. Light here on the front, and of course the helmet. All very, very essential. I'm about to go through Rotary Park. Let's get some mud flying. So there you have it. There's my ride through Rotary Park today in the rain. Few things to remember though. You will need more room to slow down. Your brakes get wet, they don't work so well. Give yourself some more time. And of course, those are always those kind of people out there. You know, they're going to splash you just for the sake of splashing you because you're on your bike. It's going to happen. It's bound to happen. Don't go riding your local trails. It will ruin them. I stick to gravel and pavement when it's raining. It's a lot of fun. Get out there. Remember, take time to slow down. Dress to stay dry, but you will still sweat. And I personally like to have a good hot shower when I get home. Get the cold out of me, get the sweat out of me. I found out a long time ago, your mom's always right. You get cold, you get a chill, you're going to get sick. Have that hot shower, get that chill out of you. Get out there, have fun.